Thanks for joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to give you a quick demonstration on how to properly install gutter edge. As you can see here, we already got this gutter edge clipped in, okay? And then we have this gutter edge here. You're just going to kind of clip it, butt it up against the seam there, the edge of the gutter edge, okay? So you make sure that's clipped in. As you can see, I got this piece in, and this other piece, I already have the miter cut on there. You draw it as close as possible, and it just clips into place just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you get your drill gun, it's 1/2 inch zip screws, and we have a 1/4 inch hex head drill bit. Okay? So you're gonna take the screw, we're gonna put it on the end of the gutter edge. You're just gonna zip that in. We recommend right around every 2 feet for a zip screw. That's all you really need. It's really just to eliminate movement. So we'll screw this section in right here for video purposes. Now that gutter edge is screwed in. You're going to take your GSL gutter seal. This is a GSL gutter seal, and we have white. And basically what we recommend you do is you're going to just seal this seam up right here real quick. And that's basically it. Now we'll continue. We need about 2 more screws down there. We'll need a couple screws over here. That end won't need to be sealed. Got the end cap over there. We'll take this down here. There'll only be 1 more seam. So this entire run, there's only 1 seam there, a seam there. If you have any other questions on this installation, just shoot a comment down below the video, and we'll get your response back. Thanks for joining. Till next time.